What's going on, guys? I wanted to wait to make this video until my suppressor got out of NFA jail, but I don't think that's ever going to happen. So we're just going to go ahead and do this video now. Probably make another video after I shoot a couple thousand rounds with the suppressed. Anyways, without further ado, this is my 14.5 pin and welded BCM. In typical fashion, because everybody watches Flannel Daddy by now. We'll go tip the butt. Got a Surefire war comp that will one day hopefully house my RC2 SOCOM. I have a Unity, I don't even know what you call it, hot button, I think is what it was, for the Surefire M600 on an Arasaka mount. Have a PEC 15. We got an Aimpoint T1 on a Unity riser, paired with an Aimpoint magnifier on a Unity riser, or flip the mount, I should say, flip to center. I'm gonna get a lot of flack here, as I do in the Facebook groups, but got a bad lever on here. You know, a lot of people hate these things for, I don't know why. They say it'll increase your chances of NDing, but I don't think it'll ever happen as long as you train with it. It shines and malfunctions, and I don't care what anybody says. But other than that, I got a Geisley SDC, Radian 45. You have a Radian Raptor. I forget the exact model, but it's the serrated one for suppressed charging handle. And then it's just standard BCM furniture for the grip, pistol grip, and stock. Aero Concept sling too. But pretty typical shit, you know. Now for my personal account with this weapon, the only problem, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but I've had this weapon since 2018, and I think it was last year. Yeah, it was last year, because the ammo crisis was my only issue I've ever had with this gun, and I'm gonna say it was ammo related. We bought some cheap steel wolf ammo, and fucking I had a light primer strike twice. That was my only issue in 4 years. I don't know my round count. I don't even know how people know that shit to the exact round. I just know I have over 10,000 rounds in this thing. I shoot a fuck ton. I don't know an exact amount, like I said. But for me, for 4 years, going on how much I shoot, I couldn't be happier with a $950 upper. That's including the bolt carrier. By the way, sorry, I forgot to mention that it is a BCM bolt carrier. And the charging handle at the time, I bought their Ambi. But for $950 for their upper receiver group down to the charging handle bolt carrier, I couldn't be happier. You know, I couldn't. I don't think I could have got more bang for my buck. That's what I'm gonna call it. Just want to see one day when I get my suppressor, see how that runs. When I get my can, I'll probably change the buffer out, because it is a standard BCM buffer with an H buffer, and I'll probably swap that out for a Geisley super braided with an H2. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is my BCM. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. And before I forget, the upper, because they have like 4 different uppers by now. This is the Enhanced Lightweight BFH, which is their forging series. Because they got like a fluted, they got a lightweight, they got a BFH, and then they got like an Enhanced Lightweight BFH. And this is the Enhanced Lightweight BFH, I believe. So, well, yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comments, and I will answer them. Have a good one.